Z-Wave is a low-power, wireless communication protocol specifically designed for smart home and IoT devices. It operates primarily in the sub-1 GHz frequency band, around 908 MHz in the US, which gives it better wall penetration and less interference compared to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Key technical characteristics: mesh network topology. Devices relay signals to each other. Multi-hop routing, low bandwidth/low latency, optimized for commands, not streaming short range per node. 30, 100 meters. Extended via mesh high device limit, up to 232 devices per network. Strong interoperability. Certified devices work across brands via Z-Wave Alliance. Ring Alarm uses Z-Wave as its primary language to talk to sensors and accessories, while your Ring cameras and doorbells use Wi-Fi. The security components, like contact sensors, motion detectors, and locks, use Z-Wave because it is more power efficient and reliable for security. Here is a breakdown of how that relationship works. 1. The Ring base station is the brain. The Ring Alarm base station acts as a Z-Wave controller. It creates a dedicated Z-Wave network in your home that is separate from your Wi-Fi. Mesh networking. Unlike Wi-Fi, where every device talks directly to the router, Z-Wave devices create a mesh. This means a signal can hop from a light switch to a range extender to get back to the base station. Range. The base station has an unobstructed range of about 250 feet, but the mesh allows you to cover much larger homes by adding more nodes. Point 2. Works with Ring versus generic Z-Wave. While Z-Wave is a universal standard, Ring categorizes devices into two groups. Certified works with Ring. These are third-party devices like Schlage/Kwikset locks, First Alert smoke detectors, and Leviton switches that Ring has tested. They show up in the Ring app with full controls, and some can even trigger your professional monitoring. Non-certified, you can technically pair almost any standard Z-Wave device to a Ring hub. However, they may only show up as a basic Z-Wave device with limited functionality, e.g., a sensor might only show open/closed, but won't trigger the siren. Point 3. Power consumption and reliability. Battery life. Because Z-Wave uses very little energy, Ring's window and door sensors can last years on a single coin cell battery. No interference. Z-Wave operates on a much lower frequency, 908.42 MHz in the US, than Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. This means your smart home won't slow down your Netflix streaming, and your microwave won't interfere with your security sensors. Key limitations to keep in mind: only wall-powered devices repeat. Battery-operated sensors, like the ones on your doors, do not act as repeaters to save energy. Only always-on devices like plug-in range extenders or in-wall switches will expand your mesh network. One hub at a time. A Z-Wave device can usually only be paired to one hub. If you have a sensor paired to a SmartThings hub, you'll have to unpair it there before you can add it to your Ring system. Regional frequencies. Z-Wave frequencies vary by country. A Z-Wave lock bot in the UK will not work with a US Ring base station.